Hi, welcome everyone to this channel. Today's tutorial is how to create 3D effect to your text in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's watch till the end and take the advantages. Go to Insert tab, click on text box and type your words. Resize it as well. Then click on Format tab. Choose outline color of the text. Click on text effect and click on 3D rotation, then choose your choice. Click on drop down arrow, click on 3D format and resize both sides to your choice. Or click on 3D rotation and rotate it to your choice as well. Hope you guys learned these simple tricks. You can share it with your friends through your social media. And don't forget to subscribe to see more of upcoming uploads. Bye bye.